Okay, guys, it is Thursday, October 30th. This is going to be video number 2 of the day, and I'm going to address a couple things. I don't know if this one's going to make it out before my usual 3 p.m. video. My usual, I don't know. Today's kind of a strange day. And I'm not going to talk about it on here. Wish these flies would finally die off. I wish we'd get our first freeze and these damn good flies would die off. So yesterday, was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. Here, let's turn this. I don't like that lighting out there. Damn flies everywhere. We've had about three or four or five freezes, and you'd think it would have froze them off by now. Sorry, I'm having camera problems. So I think it was yesterday that Mr. Ted Cook, my good buddy, Mr. Ted Cook, sent me a message about my video I made or something on kindness or something. It must be a lie, or maybe I'm just taking it out on him, that I dislike him or anything. And I just kind of messaged back and I said, hey, I just kind of give what I get. And if there's anybody that's been mean or kind of been a jerk or taken offense way too much to things, it's that gentleman. And so I sent him a message back and I just said, hey, truce, man. I don't care about any of this stuff. I don't take life serious. If you think I generally have disdain for you or anybody else in this world, you are sorely mistaken, and it's not that way at all. So that being said, let's bury the hatchet, so to speak. And I do believe in being kind to everybody, and I do believe in not having stupid keyboard warrior internet fight nonsense going on. There is one other guy that really needs to pull his head out of his ass and quit being strange or thinking that he's some sort of internet guy that should be worshipped. His name is his initials are JS, just like mine. I'm not gonna say his name, but I pretty much I just blocked that guy because he never had anything nice to say, and all he wanted to do is cause conflict. And if you want to cause conflict with me, it's not going to work out. So anyway, yeah, kindness to everybody, even to JS, the guy that I will not speak of his name. But yeah, so what I'm doing as a gesture of gratitude to Mr. Ted Cook, I think and here's the strange thing. So I have these sweatshirts. This is brand new, hot off the presses.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yes!
I have one behind me. I'm going to show you here in a second. I have these sweatshirts that are on. I opened up some Facebook, a YouTube store, trying to sell these sweatshirts, and I don't even know how to operate the damn thing, and I don't even know how to put the right sizes. So I thought Ted Cook had ordered one of these sweatshirts, and there were some emails or something that got sent to my YouTube email, which I never check, and he canceled the order because I didn't ship it. Well, right after he put the order in, I sent Ted Cook an email saying, hey, dude, what size do you want? Because it doesn't allow me to put the size in for you, so if you want me to ship it, I need to know the size. I sent it to his work email. I never heard anything. So I just went, well, screw it. So anyway, I checked my YouTube, the email that is with my YouTube channel, and it says that it was Joe Shearer. Okay, I just said his name, JS, Joe Shearer, and he said, hey, I think I'm getting scammed here. Can you refund my money? And I didn't see it until, that was a while back. So he got his money back. But I'm kind of confused because was Joe ordering it for Ted? Because the address I was supposed to mail it to was Ted's address. So I'm totally confused. But anyway, what I'm going to do as a gesture of gratitude to Ted is keep your money, whether you paid for it or Mr. Shearer paid for it. I'm going to send you one of my brand new hooded sweatshirts. They're really nice quality. They're good sweatshirts. I mean, if you don't want to wear my name out in public, you don't have to. But if you want one of my sweatshirts, put it up in your shop or something. I'm going to send you one, and then I'm also going to send Mr. Dave from NorCal Refrigeration. I'm sending him one of these as well, and I'm also going to mail out the wireless. I'm so confused these days. The Hillmore tubing benders that I did for the giveaway. Those are going to go out. So yeah, let's bury the hatchet. Ted, I'm going to send you out a sweatshirt. I'm probably going to send everything out before this weekend, maybe early next week. Depending how busy I get this weekend. So you're going to get one, and then Dave, great guy Dave at NorCal Refrigeration is getting one of these too. So just want to put that out there. Truce, no hard feelings. Let's all be happy. Let's all be kind to each other, and let's move on.